how to fix your headphone volume is too low on your iPhone. So whether you have AirPods connected or another set of headphones, I'm going to show you how to go in and increase the volume. Now the first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings like so, and then scroll down this page and click on Sounds and Haptics. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page and press Headphone Safety. Now you'll see here it will say Reduce Loud Audio. The first thing you need to do is go and disable this feature, as this is going to keep your headphone volume super low. So once it's been disabled, you can test to see if that solved the issue, but if it's not working, come back over to Settings and load up your Bluetooth. You then need to find your pair of headphones from your list of devices. So mine is these AirPods here, and we're going to click on the information button next to them. You can then press Forget this device and press Forget. Now once you've forgotten the device, you can head back over to Bluetooth and you need to go and repair your headphones to your iPhone. Once everything's reconnected, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now the final solution, if it's still not working, is to come back over to the main settings page. You can then scroll down to accessibility and click on this. Now scroll down again to audio and visual and click on this. Click on Headphone Accommodations. You can then go and turn on this feature, select Balance Tone, and then scroll down to the slider and go and move this all the way over to Strong. Once you've done this, your volume and sounds should now be increased. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.